Before I do the beard, I always like to keep a bit of oil in there. Gives it a bit of hydration. It actually allows you to really visualize the haircut, so you can comb it out, comb it through, and it really puts it into its position before you cut. So I'm using the SEB MAN Groom right now. 2 good dollops. Does the trick right. And really work it in. You rather get it from roots to ends, scratch it into the scalp, really work that in, yeah? So scratch it in, really comb it through with your fingers, spread it out, circular motions, really work it in there. And then just brush it into its natural state. Not just the beard. It's very good for your skin too.